Hello, in this video I will show you how to scan document and save it as a PDF on Motorola Moto G24. So you have to start by opening your camera application, then click on More, and now click on Scan. Now you have to scan your document. And take a picture. And now you can open your picture. And here you can click on the three dots icon and scroll to the right and then click on print. Now click on select printer and click save as PDF and then click here to save it as a PDF. Now you can name it your document and then click save. And your document is now saved as a PDF on your device. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.